You wake up exhausted every single day, right? You drag yourself to work without an ounce of enthusiasm, just grinding away for countless hours. And yeah, eventually that monthly paycheck hits, but somehow you're still feeling completely stuck.
Do you feel like you work endlessly without tangible progress? You see your hard-earned paycheck just vanish. It hits your bank account every month. Then it literally disappears into thin air. You feel trapped in this vicious cycle. Constant financial anxiety drains your daily energy. And honestly, the physical exhaustion just breaks you down.
It's this deep, silent feeling of material suffocation that becomes the ultimate enemy of your peace of mind, relentlessly keeping your true financial dreams just out of reach.
So let's dive right into Section 1, Reframing Your Money Mindset. Now, the bitter truth is kind of hard to swallow. We totally lack awareness of our own daily financial decisions, too. Instead, we spend way too much time evaluating our friends' expenses and aggressively judging their dumb money choices, 1. But here's the thing, this constant judgment is just a massive distraction from facing our own bitter financial reality, 1, 2. Honestly, have you ever stopped to wonder how often your friends are secretly judging you, 1? We live in a society that falsely worships outward appearances over true, lasting material stability, 2. When you're completely immersed in observing everyone else, you lose control of your own personal path, 2.
Which brings us to Section 2, the 5 destructive habits. Stopping these 5 hidden and obvious mistakes is absolutely the first step to building real wealth, 1, 2. The first destructive habit is the double judgment trap, which basically drains your mental energy by deeply evaluating your friends' expenses instead of actually monitoring your own personal budget, 2.
You mistakenly think you're financially smarter because you can easily spot the flaws in everyone around you, too. But really, this psychological projection just makes you feel falsely superior, while bad financial habits silently slip right into your own life, too. It completely hides the massive, growing holes in your very own wallet, too.
Principle number 2 is Bunty syndrome, which is the incredibly toxic habit of impulsively buying expensive luxuries while you're already weighed down by heavy, crushing debt, too.
I mean, think about the sheer absurdity of Bunty buying a $500 PlayStation when he's sitting on $20,000 of credit card debt. You're desperately trying to purchase fleeting happiness with capital that you don't even own. This fabricated illusion of wealth evaporates the second a real bank notice arrives, and faking it is the fastest way to destroy your family's actual future.
The third critical mistake is overlooking obvious financial decisions, which is the dangerous habit of completely ignoring basic intuitive errors even though you know they cause harm.
So many of our daily financial choices are just glaringly bad, yet we intentionally choose the easy path because we deeply fear facing the precise mathematical calculations of our lives, 1 and 2. Choosing this incredibly easy path to carelessly avoid the strict numbers simply opens a wide door to massive, cumulative losses that compound dangerously over time, 2.
The fourth wealth destroyer is bleeding resources into nothingness, meaning you continuously spend your hard-earned money on trivial items that add absolutely zero real value.
You're basically wasting your tiny, hard-earned savings by carelessly throwing them into endless, mindless consumption streams, too. And losing those tiny savings to everyday consumption is exactly what ultimately sinks large, powerful financial ships in the end, too.
The fifth and final trap is neglecting personal experience, which is a disastrous habit of continuously repeating the exact same financial mistakes without ever extracting the lesson, too.
Refusing to bravely look in your financial mirror to correct your failing trajectory absolutely dooms you to painful failure. 2. Because true wealth strictly requires an active, learning mind and demands that you extract crucial wisdom from every single penny you've ever spent.
2. Finally, Section 3, Reclaiming Your Financial Future. Stop wasting your money immediately. 1, 2. You need to take uncompromising control of your path right now. 2. Start tracking your daily financial decisions with ruthless precision. 2. Destroy that toxic consumer mindset. Actively learn from your past mistakes. And finally, step right out of the empty illusion of outward appearances to build something real. 2.
True wealth is built by the smart decisions you make when no one is watching.